Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here with a quick tutorial on a pop-up card. So we are going to make this pop-up card today. So the one in the video is in fairyland theme, and today I'm making it in unicorn theme. For this I'm taking here 3 pieces that measure 4 by 11.5 inches. We are going to score them at 5 3/4. Now we are going to take one piece and score it on 1/2 inches till 1 inch deep, and at 1 1/4 inches. So what we are going to do is we are going to take 3/4, and now again on the other side at 1 inches. Now we are going to cut this created fold. So it's going to look like this. We are going to do the same with the other 2 pages, but we are not going to cut them on the same space. Like this one is here, so we are going to do this one in the middle area and the last one in this corner. So I am scoring this at 2.5 and 1 3/4, and again on 1 inch. Now I'm going to score this one at 1/2 and 1 1/4 inches by 1. So this is how it's going to look. We are done here with all the 3 pages. Now one by one we are going to stick all the pages together. Now we are going to take a piece that measures 4 inches by 11 3/4. Now we are going to score this at 5 3/4 and 6 inches. So this page will be the cover. It will be a 1/4 inch deep. So before gluing this, what we need to do is, at the last page, we are going to take a piece that measures 3.5 by 2 inches, and we are going to score it at 1/2 inches and 3/4. Now we are going to stick the back cover. Now before you stick the front cover, we are going to use magnets for closures. So now we are going to mat the remaining part of the back side of our closure, that is this a piece that measures 2 5/8 of an inch by 1 7/8 of an inch. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put embellishment on this. I'm using here a piece of silver cardstock, mirror cardstock, and I'm using some foam tape. This piece measures 2 by 2 3/8. And now before we stick this one on this, we need to place the magnet. So I'm going to secure my magnet using tacky tape, because this is mirror cardstock, so Fevicol won't work here. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to use I'm here using some die cuts in place of pop-ups. So in the first one, I'm going to use this So for the second page, I'm using a unicorn. Hope you guys enjoyed watching our video. Do let us know in the comments below.